It is Cameron with Lebanon Ford, and we've got a pretty special video today. I am very lucky enough to be able to be behind the wheel of the all-new, slick tires, with the all-new Mustang Dark Horse. And this thing is spec'd to a T. This thing is perfect, in my opinion. So as you can see, it is equipped with the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. The first one that I drove was with the 10-speed auto, so I didn't really get that full enthusiast experience that I really wanted out of this car. But this one is definitely providing that with the manual transmission. And right off the bat, that titanium shift knob feels so good. And it looks so insane, just like that burnt titanium blue look. It looks so good. Right off the bat, I mean, I can tell you the difference between this and like a standard Mustang, the standard S650, is this is so much tighter. The suspension is significantly tighter, and you can tell the tires are a much grippier, high-performance summer tire for sure. But it feels so good. I'm somebody that really likes the engagement feel of like a track car, so I think this car feels so fantastic. I love the shift knob, and that the gears are so notchy. Like everything just feels like when you're in the neutral and you're doing your neutral wiggle, it feels just so good and so solid. Like everything just feels so solid. Yeah, so this one is spec'd in the Vapor Blue Metallic, which is a very nice color, especially in the sun. I'm going to take photos of this right now, so hopefully I beat the sun down. I wanted to shoot this as the sun was going down because of how good it looks in the like sundown orange light. But dude, that exhaust sounds so sick right behind you. It sounds so good. Yeah, everybody, there's so many people just looking at this car. It also looks so much so the part. It's not like the standard Bronco one. This also does have the the handling package and everything and all the extra aero on it. It's a very, like I said, very well spec'd car. But again, this one is finished in Vapor Blue Metallic, so the color is fabulous. Sound the exact same as the sport mode. It just cracks and pops sometimes on a heavy acceleration or deceleration. It adds just a little bit more aggression to the exhaust note. See if it rolls. Yeah, these tires just do not want to grip at all right now. They're Pirelli Trofeo RSs, so they're ultra slick, definitely just made for hot summer track days. They're not like in this cold Ohio tarmac, but this car feels very balanced. Even as it wants to lose control and as the tail end wants to slide out a little bit, the car feels extremely balanced and very well connected, very planted. So it does give you a lot of confidence, even if you have some tires that kind of want to just give up on you a little bit. It's like almost at a perfect height right now, so I think these photos are going to turn out sick. I'll throw up some within the video here. But yeah, I will tune back in as soon as I'm done taking photos. Alright, I just got some pretty insane pictures. The sun is actually going down perfectly right now. I don't know if you can see in the background, but we have like a perfect gradient sky that literally goes from a blue like to a teal to a green to a yellow to the orange to like a red right above the, it looks insane. The pictures turned out raw. The raw pictures turned out insane. Yeah, one thing I have noticed that is very odd, it's very weird, is you would think that it has just like a very typical, just like e-brake, but it's technically still electronic. It just has a physical pull handle now. For example, if you want to put it down instead of like it being up here and you go down, this is its stagnant resting position. Like to go down, the e-brake is engaged right now. So to go down, you just push it down like that. Now the e-brake is engaged off. If you want it on, you just pull it up and it goes back to its resting position. You can hear the electronic e-brake kind of engage. That's neither here nor there. You know, some people might like that, some people might not. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's definitely not the end of the world, but it's just something you definitely have to get used to, especially from somebody that's used to a completely manual e-brake. So yeah, let's keep driving this thing. Kind of take it really slow right here. Kind of just drive with the clutch right now because I'm in gravel. And with these sticky tires, I know it's sticking to there. I do not want to sling them up all over the side of the car or anything like that. So it's going to very easily kind of just roll through. Now that we're on this this solid asphalt, kind of try to knock those rocks off. I'm sure we'll hear rocks hitting every now and then, but man, dude, this car is so sick. And I thought the automatic version was great. Like when I drove that, I'm like, oh, that's a great car. And I'm such a proponent for the manual transmission, so I should have seen this coming. But wow, does the manual change this whole car. The automatic is very smooth, just like the standard S650. It's a very smooth, revised version of the 10-speed. Man, there is nothing like a manual transmission in a sports car like this. Especially when it's like by Tremec, so it's very engaging, very notchy, very just direct, and you know you're in gear, and there's no question about it. It's just a match made in heaven. Dude, these tires are frozen. They are cold. But yeah, such a great driving experience. You don't even need to be flying at 130, 140, 150 miles an hour to really have fun in this car, because just the everyday driving experience is so great. Like even just commuting right now, just through standard traffic, just shifting gears and just feeling and hearing, and just the rawness of this car is so great. Especially from somebody that was a huge fan of the GT350 when it was out. This is it's a fantastic car. And I know a lot of the like the parts. There was a lot of parts from the Shelbys and a lot of parts from the Mach 1s and things of that. So to make this car, which is, I mean, those are some of the best modern Mustangs that they made. So oh dude, and it does have good power. It has really good power, dude. And everything is so smooth. That's the crazy part about this car. It feels so raw, but everything engages and everything reacts so smooth. Like the gear shifts are just so butter. It's great. It's a great car. It's great. Jacob, if you're watching this, I don't have you here with me this time, but I know we rated the standard S650s pretty high. This has shifted the scale. I think I gave the Shelby, the 350, a 9.2 on the Mustang scale. And if I'm kind of skewing it to just be a Mustang scale, I'd probably give this the 350 a 9.5. I kind of want to give this like a 9.3, 9.4. Like I want to give it right there. It doesn't have that like crazy voodoo sound that the 350 had, which was just one of the greatest things ever. And it, you know, that revved like 8,400 RPMs. It just screamed. Like that power band was incredible. So I don't think it gets any better than a GT350 ever, but this is really giving it a run for its money. Yeah, Dark Horse manual, very good car, great car. I'm on my way back to the store right now. I'm gonna park this back under the delivery awning and maybe give you guys a couple outside clips and close this video out. Oh, it is stiff. It is stiff. I felt the three-wheel a little bit there, rising up, coming into the entrance to the store. And right here, so it's safe and sound for the night. Yeah. So as you exit the Dark Horse and turn it off, you get a bunch of Dark Horse exits with the thing. You see the puddle lights. It's a very cool experience from the Dark Horse. Yeah, so here is the car on the outside. It looks so insane, and this is even bad lighting for it. So as I said, it is finished in the Vapor Blue. It's got the it's got the handling package, the appearance package. It's got the graphics on the hood, the beautiful these standard wheels, which I actually like more than the carbon wheels. They're very cool, very cool color, very cool car as is, and the way this is spec'd is so insane. But that's actually what I was going to show you, kind of just hinted at there. Something cool about the Dark Horse and any of the ones that have the high-end lighting. As you walk up to it with the key in your pocket, you can see that the lights do a little bit of a little dance for you, and all the lights and everything come on. And as you approach the vehicle, you know, your puddle lamps will come on, tail lights will come on, just to illuminate it. So if you are walking up to the car at night, you can see the car well, and you have optimal lighting to get in the car safely and sound. But yeah, so that is just kind of like this little walk around video of the all new 2024 Dark Horse with the manual transmission. I'm really hoping this car is still here by the end of the day in a few days, because I do want to bring out the big camera and film a huge, nice quality video of this car, because it just deserves it. But if you are interested in this car, it is for sale right now. We did just get this in. So if you want to see more, by the time you see this video, the photos should be online. I'm going to go home and get everything ready and put together now. So if you want to check out this car, definitely look for it on our website, or you can inquire about it if you give us a call at 513-932-1010, or again, check out this car and a lot more online at LebanonFord.com.